You've probably tried 3 note apps in the last month, right? OneNote feels ancient. Evernote wants your credit card. Notion is beautiful but slow on mobile. And there's 100 indie apps claiming they're the one. Here's the thing. Every note-taking article online is either written by someone getting paid or by a fanatic who's only used one app. So today, we're breaking down 5 genuinely free options side by side. No affiliate links, no best overall, just honest takes so you pick what actually fits how your brain works. Before we get to the apps, let's agree on what matters. 1. Can you get your notes back if the company vanishes? 2. Will it work on your phone and desktop without syncing delays? 3. Can you actually search inside them? And 4, and this matters more than people admit, is it fast enough that you'll actually use it? Because the best note app in the world is worthless if opening it takes 5 seconds and makes you reach for a text editor instead. Obsidian's entire core is free. Your notes live in plain text markdown files on your computer. You own them completely. The killer feature is backlinking. You can reference other notes and it builds a visual graph, so your notes start connecting like your actual thoughts do. Sync costs $12 a month, but you don't need it. Just dump the folder in Dropbox or OneDrive, and you're done. The trade-off: steep learning curve if you've never seen Markdown, and mobile is clunky because it's designed as a desktop-first tool. If you love organizing and don't mind tinkering, this is it. Notion's free tier is genuinely generous. You get unlimited databases, templates, a workspace, basically everything except the ability to share notes with others or use AI features. It's a productivity Swiss Army knife. The problem? Notion is slow. I'm not exaggerating. Open a note with more than a few paragraphs, and there's a visible lag when you scroll. Their mobile app is better, but still not snappy. Use Notion if you want one system for notes, projects, and databases all together, but don't use it if you're hammering notes throughout your day. You'll notice the friction. Joplin is completely free and open source. Your notes are encrypted, stored locally, and synced via Dropbox, OneDrive, or Nextcloud. The app is lean and fast. You can share encrypted links to people. Markdown support. It's the boring, reliable choice that nobody talks about because it doesn't have shiny marketing. Joplin works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile without compromise. If you want something that just works and doesn't require a learning curve or a subscription looming in your future, pick this. Logseq is free and open source, built for bullet point thinking. It's designed around daily notes. You open it and write today's thoughts as bullet points, and it tags dates automatically. The graph view is beautiful. It's local first, works offline, syncs to Dropbox. The learning curve is lighter than Obsidian because it's more opinionated about structure. But if you hate bullet points and want free-form writing, Logseq feels weird. It's phenomenal for capturing quick thoughts and connecting them over time. Just not ideal if you want traditional documents. Quick hits. Apple Notes is genuinely underrated if you live in the Apple ecosystem. It's fast, syncs seamlessly, and gets out of your way. Microsoft OneNote is the dinosaur with unlimited free storage. It's still useful if you need handwriting support or collaboration, but it feels bloated. Neither has backlinking or modern features. They're fine if you're not a power user, but if you're watching this, you probably care about more than fine. Speed, Joplin and Logseq win. Learning curve, Apple Notes and Joplin are easiest. Graph features, Obsidian and Logseq. Mobile experience, Obsidian is worst, Joplin is best. All in one workspace. Notion dominates, but it's slow. Open source and privacy, Joplin and Logseq. Customization, Obsidian is incredible if you're willing. Here's the real pattern. If you want power, learn Obsidian. If you want fast and simple, use Joplin. If you want structured journaling, use Logseq. If you want one system for everything, tolerate Notion's slowness. Are you someone who writes 3 pages of reflection? Obsidian or Joplin? Do you capture quick thoughts all day? Logseq. Do you already live in Notion for projects? Just use Notion for notes too, yeah. It's slower, but you'll have everything in one place. On iPad or phone primary. Apple Notes, if you're in the ecosystem. Joplin, otherwise. Worried about privacy or wanting to ensure you can leave later? Joplin, Logseq, or Obsidian. Want zero setup? Notion. And honestly, most people don't need to choose one forever. Try Joplin for a week. If you feel limited, try Obsidian. If both feel like overkill, go back to Apple Notes. There's no penalty for experimenting. I've dropped a link in the description. It's a 2-minute quiz that asks 5 questions about how you actually take notes, and it'll tell you which of these 5 is your closest fit. Try it. And here's the thing, none of these apps will transform your life. The difference between a good note app and a bad one is maybe 5% productivity gain. The 95% comes from actually reviewing your notes, connecting ideas, and building on them. So pick one from today's breakdown, commit to it for at least a month, and see what sticks. After you try it, come back here and tell us, what note-taking feature can't you live without? Comment below and we will build it.